What's up, family? What's up, Dogecoin Army? Let's talk some Doge. Let's talk a little Dogecoin price recovery and what we're looking at current price levels. All right. Like I said, I'm Mark. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well. And let's talk some Dogecoin. All right. I'm going to pull up the crypto chart as we look into what Dogecoin's doing on the day. You can see right here what we have going on the trading view. We are flashing momentum down. Forgive me, these are some indications of things that I've been drawing within my charts. I'm going to delete those so we can start fresh. But we are looking at what a 16 cents Dogecoin looks like. All right, and that's kind of the best part about this video that I'm giving you is because we're talking about the recovery and how we're going to stall at that 17 cents level. Okay, and if you're wondering what those lines I had drawn for are, I'm just kind of further indicating this pattern that we're seeing within Doge. This W forming is very bullish, right? I know it says momentum down here. Using my trading indicator, that's what you're seeing right here. But we are still kind of just pushing above that last moving average. If we can get above all three, then that's something where we can look even for further movement into the green. All right, but let's get into this recovery and how we could see a stall being done. This is an article taken from newsbtc.com where I want to share with you guys. As we started that recovery wave, hitting that 12.8 support zone, now we're seeing Dogecoin, as we currently talked about it, above that 15 cents level and that 100 SMA within the last 4 hours. Okay, now what you have to understand is that bearish trend line formed within the resistance of 17 cents within the Doge USD pair. Okay. Now we need to settle above 17 cents to move into a more positive zone and start a fresh surge. Now that's kind of what we've all been talking about, right? That W that I showed you guys. All right. This is what we need. Boom. This is 17 cents. We need to go up here. Okay. So that 17 cents line right here on the chart that I drew is where we need to face that huge resistance if we want to get above 17 and start a new fresh surge into the green. Now, these are the hurdles that we've come about. All right. We've climbed above a little Fibonacci retracement level as we dipped below that 20 cents line. But like I said, we're above that 100 SMA. That's a huge thing when we look about the price facing that resistance at that 17 cents. So what we're going to have to look into are we going to dip below that even further? Are we going to drop below that more resistance line and get even lower, get to that 12, 13 cents range once more? Or are we going to continue our trend and get closer to that 20, 21 cents? So as we talked about it, that 17 cents is the next major resistance for Dogecoin right here as indicated here on this line on your guys' screen. And that's where we could look for that next leg up. All right. So 22 cents for Dogecoin has been that level where we look for if we can get through that resistance, we can start that next leg up. And that would be a newfound support line if we can level off up above 20 cents and break through that 22 cents resistance even further. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm going to share with you guys. A little bit of numbers here, a little bit of TA, a little bit of the chart. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments box. Do you think Dogecoin is going to bust through 17 cents, or are we going to be faced with a lot of resistance moving forward? I'm kind of a mixed bag, right? I think that the impact from the Bitcoin halving is going to be a little bit softer than people expect, right? Historically, that proves to be true. So let's see what happens as we get close to that 17 cents, if we can bust through it and even get further into that 20, 21, and 22 cents range for Dogecoin. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm Mark. Like I said, make sure you all subscribe down below. Welcome into the channel, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.